In this video, I will show you how to use the Cryptomania app. So this will be a full step-by-step guide on how to use the app and basically the things you can do on it. So with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and open up the app on my device, and basically I'm just going to log in. So when you initially sign up, you'll be given a starting balance. Now Cryptomania is a trading simulator, so the money you actually trade with is not actual currency that you can withdraw. This is basically like a simulator, so it basically replicates what it would be like if you was actually trading in real life, with of course real cryptocurrency. So from the home screen, you can actually earn more credit and currency by completing things like the daily reward here. So you can see, for example, day one, and this accumulates. So if you log in and check in every day, you get core rewards. Like for example, you can see we've got 25 of the cryptocurrency here, Cryptomania currency. We also receive balances and things like that. So there's also challenges and a shop as well. So if you go into the shop, you can see different kind of cryptocurrency bundles and things like that you can buy. However, what I'm going to do is now step into the trading part and show you how to actually use this to start trading. So from your home screen, you're going to notice a green button which says start trading. So just go ahead and press onto the button. And if it's your first time opening the app, it's going to come up with this window which says about getting started, learn the ropes of crypto trading, track charts, open trades and raking profits. And if you complete this quick tutorial, you do receive $3,000. Bear in mind, as mentioned, this is only a trading simulator, so that's not actually going to be actual currency you can withdraw, but it's just going to be currency that you can practice with on the Cryptomania app. So for now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and skip this, and you can see we're on a screen like this. Now, this is what the trading simulator looks like. So you can see at the top, we've got our trading. So at the moment it's set for Bitcoin to USD, US dollars, and you can click onto this to change your trading pair. So you can see, for example, we've got things like Ethereum, Dash, Stellar, Zcash, Uniswap, and a ton of other currencies. So you can go ahead and select your trading pair from here. For example, we could do like Binance. So you can see after pressing that option, it's now changing the top left-hand corner to BNB USD. And we can change the style of chart by pressing this icon here. And as you can see, we can change to the normal chart style graph. Or we got the indicators, or of course this alternative one here. So this is what it's actually going to look like if you use an actual trading platform. So it's very, very similar, and these kind of trading simulators are really good to practice on. So what you can do now is go ahead and practice trading. So you can see at the moment we've selected Binance Coin. So what we can do is come down to the bottom, we can press sell down here and choose how much we want to sell. So for example, if I wanted to do 50, then what we can do is come down and press the sell button at the bottom. As you can see, it now comes up with a window saying trade open. So you can see the opening date, the opening price of the trade, how much we're bidding, which in this case is just $50, and the amount, because I've multiplied it to 250. The trade will close automatically in 48 hours, so you can extend it later. So all you need to do is go ahead and press OK to initiate the trade. And you can also buy as well by using the green buy button on here. So you just want to practice as if you're trading actual cryptocurrencies. As mentioned, it is just a simulator, so all of this currency is just virtual. It's not actually currency you can withdraw. But for example, you can put 50 down again, press buy, and we're going to get details about the trade here. So you just press OK. And that is a basic overview of how you can sell and buy cryptocurrencies using Cryptomania. Now, there's also other things you can do on the app. For example, if we come down to the bottom, you can see this trophy icon. So if we press onto this, there's actually tournaments you can join in. And then, of course, we got the tutorial that we can unlock, and this Invest Empire, which is where you can invest, rent out, and thrive across 6 continents and build your own real estate empire. So you can unlock the area by clicking here. So this is just something else you can actually do on the app as well. So that's a quick how-to guide and a basic overview of how to go ahead and use the Cryptomania app. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.